morning everyone. Today's video is on how to do a watermark or simple logo na lalagyan natin sa buong video. So okay, we're gonna click on text. Here I have an existing video that I rendered earlier. Just showing how to do a watermark. Click the text tool, then drag it at the middle. Type in the watermark or anything that you like. So mine is akosibuhaytambay.com. Okay. So palitin natin. Tapos syempre, lagyan natin ng konting animation para naman swabe. Palikutin natin ng konti. Scale. Let's make it a bit bigger. Then position. You need to click on that. Then you would need to drag that all the way to the end para maging watermark siya mamaya. So it's gonna become a watermark from a simple title. This is a video from Total Warhammer 2 campaign. Start with the Tyrion Elf, not the Tyrion Dwarf. Okay, so there we go. Okay, ngayon na-drag na siya ron. So, ayusin natin yung animation ng konti. So, palitin natin. Okay, then need to move that sa baba. So, move natin ng konti. Space bar or play button. So, ayusin natin. Pwede yung lagay sa baba, sa taas, kaliwa o kanan. So, it's your choice. It's either left, right, top, bottom, side. Okay, you can change the settings. Pwede palitan ng kulay, or you can change the color in any way that you want. So I'm gonna change the opacity para medyo lumaba. It could blur it out a bit. Okay, feel free to change it in any way that you want. Since it's gonna be our video, this is just a sample or example for me. Okay, save natin. In case anything happens, it's safe. Okay, change colors. Doesn't look good. Pangit. Okay, that's how it would look. O, diba? Napakasimple lang. It's very simple. It would only take a few seconds to do a simple watermark or simple tag. And of course, you could cut the part that you don't want. So right here, I'm gonna cut the part that I don't want to be shown. So there. So again with the ending, let's put a bit of animation. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, click the like button and click subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you again.